What if I told you there's a parasite that can swim through your skin and travels through your blood vessels? Schistosoma is a parasitic form that causes schistosomiasis in humans and animals. This disease affecting over 200 million people worldwide. It enters the body through the skin during contact with contaminated fresh water. Once inside, it travels through the bloodstream and affects organs such as liver, intestines, or bladder. Schistosomiasis is treatable with antiparasitic drugs like praziquantel. One of the most fascinating facts about schistosoma is how the male and female live together. The male has a special groove in his body called the gynecophoric canal. The female lives inside this canal. Nature is full of surprises, even among parasites.